Good morning everyone, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm very excited for this week's vlog and the upcoming vlogs because today I'm actually starting a 4-part 4-week vlog series. If you follow me on Instagram, if you follow me on TikTok, you'll know that today, which is January 3rd, it's currently just past 11 a.m. I am starting a 30-day self-care get my life back challenge for the new year, just in general starting this challenge. So basically I'm going to be vlogging every single day for 30 days, and I created this whole list of 30 different little tasks to complete every single day just to kind of get me feeling myself back again. I feel like I've kind of lost myself lately and I really want to get that back and just start feeling like myself again. So I created 30 tasks to kind of do just one every single day, just little things to kind of, you know, brighten my day and have something to look forward to. So today is day 1 and today's task is very simple. I wanted to just start off with something really easy because I'm still at my parents' house for the first like 3 or 4 days of this challenge until I go back to my own apartment. But today's challenge is to hydrate. I find that when you start getting into a little bit of a slump, little things like remembering to drink enough water get forgotten. Little things like remembering to drink enough water often get forgotten, or just like you don't do enough of it. So today my challenge for myself is to drink enough water per my body weight. So for myself that's 3.5 to 4 liters. You can just Google and calculate it yourself. But I'm already on my second giant glass and we're doing good so far. But along with my little daily challenges, I also am writing in, I got this for Christmas, but it's the 5-minute journal, and I'm going to be writing in it every single day. So I kind of just started off, today's, like I said, January 3rd, and I'm going to be doing my goal for the day as my one thing that I'm grateful for. So for today, obviously it's hydration, drinking water. And I'm really excited to just start filling this out and continue the challenge with you guys. So basically how this is going to work is I'll probably just share little snippets of my day, do like mini daily vlogs. So they're kind of like a week in my life sort of vlog, including the self-care challenge every day. But yeah, this first vlog is probably going to be a little bit shorter. Like I said, I'm at my parents' house, so I'm spending time with my family and just all that. But of course, I'll update you guys on like the challenges and stuff. And I'm excited to start this, and I hope you join in on this little challenge with me. But yeah, let's just get on with the day. Today is day 2. So today's little challenge task is to start reading a new book. So this morning I just had a shower, I got all dressed and ready for the day. I kind of felt like I wanted to just get myself all put together and then, you know, start my day. So I just made myself a little matcha, and then the book that I'm actually starting to read is this little book right here. It's called The Little Book of Hig, or I'm not sure how you pronounce this word, but I'm gonna call it Hig. And it's just this cute little book, and it was actually a happy accident that I picked up this book. I needed an extra $10 to get free Amazon shipping when I was ordering some Christmas presents, and this came up in my recommended, and I was like, oh, that's cute, it's aesthetic, I'll get it, and it can be like a coffee table book, but it's actually just about a simple way of living to be happy. And I thought this was great to start reading, and it looks really good. And so this is the book that I am starting to read for today's little task challenge. And one of my goals for the new year was actually to start reading more books and to, I think it was finish 5 books by the end of 2021. So this will hopefully be the first book that I finish this year. So for today's little self-care challenge, day 3, the task that I decided to do for myself was to draw something again, just start getting back into drawing is something that I really wanted to do this year. So I just sat down and sketched for a little bit today, which felt really nice because I haven't done that. I don't even remember when, like maybe a year or 2 years ago. So I just sat down and sketched this little one out. It's really, really rough because I haven't drawn in a really long time. But yeah, like if I look back at some of these other ones that were from like 2 or 3 years ago, they're a lot better. And this was just, it looks off to me, but like it's okay. We're gonna start working on drawing again this year. But yeah, other than that, nothing much has gone on today. We actually went and grabbed Starbucks. It's almost gone. I tried the pistachio syrup and can't really taste it that much, but just a little iced coffee. And that is basically it for today. I'm actually heading home tomorrow early afternoon, late morning. So I'm going back to my own apartment and we're gonna continue the self-care challenge there. Good morning. I got up bright and early this morning because today's self-care challenge was to watch the sunrise. Honestly, one of my favorite things, especially in the winter. I find the winter sunrises are really pretty as long as there's no clouds. Then I just made myself a little latte with some almond milk and cinnamon on the top this morning. But I'm actually heading home back to my apartment today. I'm leaving my parents' house. So this morning's self-care challenge with the watch the sunrise was like one of the things I wanted to do here because I can't really do it from my basement apartment at home. But yeah, so that is what is happening today. We're going back to my apartment and continuing the self-care challenge there. It's been good so far. I know I haven't been vlogging a whole lot, and I said that at the beginning of this video that the beginning would probably be short because I've been at home. I hope you guys are enjoying the self-care challenge so far, and I hope you are joining me on this because honestly, it's just great to have something little to look forward to every single day. But yeah, let's get on with the day. So today is the last day of this first week of my 30-day self-care challenge. So as you guys just saw, I did a little workout to a workout video, and today my challenge for myself was trying a new workout video on YouTube, because I never really do workout videos and I thought it'd be fun, kind of spice things up a little bit, because with the gyms closed still here in Ontario, working out has been hard and kind of obnoxious, but like, I don't like at-home workouts, if we already didn't know that. So I thought it would be fun to just try a workout video. But now that I'm done at my workout, always gotta fuel your body with protein, and I'm actually partnering with Built protein bars today. So you guys would have seen on my stories, but they sent me this giant mixed box of their new protein bars. There's 18 different flavors, so there's definitely gonna be one that you'll like, but I love the fact that they are low sugar, they taste great, high protein. That's what we want. We want to build our muscles and we want the protein. So I'm just going to be having one of these right after my workout. I think I'm actually going to go for this mint brownie one. It looks really good. So I'm going to eat this now that I'm done my workout. Okay, so far this mint one is so good, and something that I love about the Built protein bars is that they don't have any added crap, no added sugar. It's all like real chocolate, real goodness. There's only 4 grams of sugar in this entire bar, which is great because I'm someone that like, it's hard to find protein bars that don't have a whole bunch of added crap in them. So it's another reason why I love these, and they taste freaking amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this first week of my 30-day self-care challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I will see you in the next video and for the next week of the challenge, which will be uploaded next week as I continue the challenge. If you want to do it live, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I've been posting the challenge on there every single day as I'm doing it. And also, this is just a little challenge that I made up for myself, and they're kind of activities and tasks for the day that pertain to me and things that I knew I would personally enjoy. But like I said, I hope you guys are enjoying. I hope you're having a great start to your new year. I thought this was such a great idea to just kind of kickstart my new year and just something fun to look forward to every day. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!